Hey, it's Dr. J. Hi, everybody. So I'm here to do another quick video on ONET. You all really love ONET. I'm so happy that I'm able to share this information about this site. I often have shared this with my students in the past, and it's really a site with a plethora of information that is really resourceful to every single person. So this video, we're going to get into the training aspect and how to research the training. All right. So we're going to use the classic example that we've used before, human resources specialist. All right. So we're going to click on it, and actually, let's use another one. Let's use human resources manager because I've often used a specialist just to get some new flavor. All right. So here are all the different reported job titles for human resources managers: the tasks, the technologies, the knowledge, the skills, abilities, work activities, and detailed work activities. All right. Now this information is a little different than previous examples because here 74% have a bachelor's, 9% have a post baccalaureate certificate, and 9% have a master's degree. All right. So that's just a little bit of information. And that probably pertains to their work experience and the type of managerial position that they have. All right, so here we have find training and find certifications. So let's click on find training. Let's use Florida. All right, so what this is going to give you is a list of training in your local area, right? Where it will give you more information for how to gain knowledge, skills, and abilities to become an HR manager. All right, so here, locally, Florida Southern College, it's in Lakeland. They offer the program name and the length and how many graduates they've had. So this is really cool because literally these are all the direct links to these specific areas. I like this also because over here where it says program name, it gives you a list of the program names. And why this is important is the programs, recently have been extensive. So there are several colleges, 2-year, 4-year colleges and universities that actually offer human resources certifications. So you can actually go and get your HR certification, right? And then go straight into working HR, or you can earn a 2-year or 4-year degree or, a master's in human resources. I went to a private Jesuit university where I earned my master's degree with a concentration in human resources. So what's that mean? I had an additional 18 credits of classes where I got this concentrated information about human resources. And it's been really wonderful because I myself don't have a HR certification, but because I do have a master's with the concentration and experience, it levels out. All right, so let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about how to research training on ONET for your occupational choice. Until then, have a wonderful day.